Zambia. It flows into Angola, then back into Zambia southwards. And for about 70 kilometers, that is towards the west, which is further upstream. The mighty Zambezi River is joined by the Chobe River from Botswana. And where these two rivers meet, they form the boundary between four countries, namely Zimbabwe, Zambia, Namibia, and Botswana. Now, passing down here, the river marks the boundary between Zimbabwe, where we started from, that's at the back of the vessel, to my left, and ahead of us, that's Zambia. So that's actually an island. It's called the Kalundu Island, which means a little hill in the local language. On the other side, we've got the Long Island or the Luyando Island, which is the longest island above the falls. Then we get to the Zambian mainland. So on this part of the river, it splits into three canals, forming two islands that belong to Zambia, as the border lies on the first channel where we are. So this is the deepest of the three channels. It's an average 10 to 12 meters. So for about a kilometer further downstream, that is towards the east, and another 2 kilometers to the south, the river plunges into the gorge, forming the Victoria Falls, locally known as Moswa Tunya, meaning the smoke that thunders. From there, the river meanders through the Batoka Gorges, and it reaches the Lake Kariba. That's where we do our commercial fishing, and that's where the river was blocked for the first time for a hydroelectric power station that serves Zimbabwe and Zambia. From there, the river flows into Mozambique, Kawarabasa Dam, where it was blocked for yet another hydroelectric power station that serves South Africa and Mozambique. Then it empties into the Indian Ocean. So from the source to the Indian Ocean, the river measures approximately 2,700 kilometers. That's about 1,678 miles, making itself fourth longest in Africa. Now, during the cruise, we might come across some game. Okay, though I cannot give you any guarantees. Only by chance, we might come across some elephants, maybe hippos, crocodiles, and a number of birds. And whatever we come across, good people, we'll need to be as quiet as possible, so we have a good time and take good photos of them. Okay, thank you very much.